Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best wireless tattoo machine review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Toughking W2 Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Toughking W2 wireless tattoo machine frame made of standard aluminum alloy and CNC carved. Weight 238 gram, stroke 3.5 mm. Easy to use. Stable voltage and low noise bring you and your customers a satisfying experience. The Toughking rotary tattoo machine built in Japan. Coreless motor, wireless pen used with custom mass coreless motor, 12 volt 12,000 RPM. This special motor does not require maintenance, smooth speed change, almost no vibration, more powerful, low skin loss, fast coloring, no hot for long time working. This tattoo machine equipped fast charge with Type-C jack, 1700 mAh built-in battery working 8 to 12 hours, only need 2.5 hours to fully charge. Overcharge protection, short circuit protection, temperature control, and more. The wireless tattoo pen has an OLED high-resolution display with rich and clear display content. It has charging over voltage protection, pen card protection, output short circuit protection, and display text reminders for various abnormal conditions. Number 4. Mast Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Mast Wireless Tattoo Machine frame made of standard aluminum alloy and CNC carved. Weight 186 gram, length 132 mm, diameter 32 mm. Assembly by hand, one-piece body and seamless, effortless to cover and protect. The wireless pen used with custom mass coreless motor, 12 volt 10,500 RPM. This special motor does not require maintenance, smooth speed change, almost no vibration. This Mast wireless tattoo machine equipped 2000 mAh battery with working time 8 hours, fast charge with Type-C jack, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, temperature control, and more. The Mast Archer wireless rotary tattoo pen machine has visible LCD voltage screen. You can check charge, voltage, etc. Number 3. Znet EXO wireless tattoo machine. The Znet rotary tattoo machine made of aluminum alloy shell and CNC carved. The diameter of the machine is stroke 4 mm, grip size 45 mm, net weight 300 gram. The hull is detachable and easy to disassemble, easy to maintain and replace parts. The Znet tattoo machine built in Japan. Coreless motor, 12 volt 10,500 RPM. It uses a direct drive system which makes the machine more powerful, low vibration, low skin loss, fast coloring, no hot for long time working. This tattoo pen battery capacity is 2400 mAh, about 2 hours fully charge. 8 volt output voltage can work for 7 to 8 hours. The Znet tattoo pen machine has visible LCD screen, shows operating voltage and remaining power, etc. Number 2. DKLab DKW1 wireless tattoo machine. The tattoo machine pen is made of aluminum alloy by Precision CNC technology. Weight 252 gram, stroke 4.0 mm, length 140 mm, grip 36 mm. The lightweight design is for lining and shading, which gives you comfortable tattooing. This tattoo machine built in customized premium coreless motor. The maximum working power supply is 12 volt while speed can be up to 12,000 RPM, low vibration, low skin loss, fast coloring, no hot for long time working. The battery capacity is 2400 mAh with 5 to 12 volt adjustable voltage. It only takes 2 hours to fully charge, can be used for 5 to 7 hours, supporting long-term tattoo work and stable output. It also built-in lithium battery. The tattoo pen is lightweight and very portable. It can unscrew the power part to replace the battery. Number 1. Ambition Soldier wireless tattoo machine. This Ambition rotary tattoo machine made of aluminum alloy frame and CNC carved. Length 148 mm, stroke 4.0 mm, weight 210 gram, detachable, as a whole, easy to disassemble, maintain and replace spare parts. The Ambition tattoo machine built in Japan. Cordless motor, 12 volt, 10,500 RPM, more powerful, low skin loss, fast coloring, no hot for long time working. This tattoo machine provide built-in 1950 mAh large capacity battery. It can support long-term tattoo work. Output stable, 8 volt output voltage, can work for 8 hours, only need 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge. More importantly, the battery can be replaced at any time. The pen machine is compatible with all cartridge needles types. Direct derive system make tattoo machine get stronger and better for liner and shader.